As a PC user, you are probably all too familiar with some of the most common PC disasters. It's times like these when a million thoughts race through our heads. In essence, we simply wish that we could just go back in time and reverse all the changes made to the PC. Thankfully, with RollBack RX, you can. Virus and spyware infections have now become daily threats. Sure, antivirus software is great for detecting malicious files, but can you really be certain that it cleans your PC completely? Will your PC be as good as it was before the infection? Even downloading software from the internet can be a very risky proposition. Sometimes the software doesn't meet your expectations, or worse, it may cause your PC to crash, making it unusable. And yes, you could uninstall any software using add remove programs, but you never know for certain if everything is completely removed. Occasionally, even some Microsoft critical updates may cause one of your other applications to not function correctly. How can you easily back out from an incompatible update? Introducing RollBack RX, the best way to instantly undo any PC problems by restoring your PC to an earlier state. RollBack RX is so powerful that it's actually 4 solutions in one. It can be used to completely restore Windows, continuously back up your data, cleanly uninstall software, and recover from any PC disaster all in one. Let's take a quick look at how RollBack RX can be used to completely uninstall any software. Let's say, for example, that you installed a game on your PC. Unfortunately, that new game has now caused your PC to constantly display dreaded error messages when attempting to use your Office applications. To completely remove the game with RollBack RX, you simply choose the snapshot prior to the game's installation, and after a quick restart, your PC returns to how it was before the game was installed. No need to use add remove programs to uninstall the game and hope for the best. With RollBack RX, your PC will be exactly as it was before you installed the game. The core of RollBack's technology lies in its ability to take virtually unlimited snapshots. Each snapshot represents an exact system state as per when the snapshot was taken. Each snapshot takes only seconds to complete and uses very little disk space, so you're free to take as many snapshots as you wish. Taking a snapshot with RollBack RX is quick and easy. You can set RollBack RX to automatically take snapshots of your entire PC at any time, every hour, day, week, whenever. Additionally, you can even schedule snapshots to be taken each time you restart your PC or whenever you launch a particular application. These scheduled snapshots are taken invisibly in the background and do not affect system performance. You can also take snapshots manually at any time that you wish. In addition to taking virtually unlimited snapshots, RollBack RX enables users to roll back to any snapshot. Unlike Windows System Restore, which can only restore Windows System files and some program files, RollBack RX restores program files, system files, data, everything, right down to the last byte. From the RollBack RX console, you can view all the snapshots that are available. You can then select any snapshot that you would like to go back to. It's entirely up to you and how long ago you installed RollBack RX. If you find that you don't need to go back as far as you thought, you can also roll forward in time as well. In addition to rolling back to any snapshot, RollBack RX can also recover files from different snapshots. This feature enables users to roll back to a previous snapshot without losing any important files. So let's say you had to go back a few days to properly restore your system, then find out later that you really need an important document that you just created. With RollBack RX, you can simply search or browse for the file, choose the correct snapshot, and search for the file on a virtual drive, and import it to your current snapshot. Some of the world's most aggressive malware can find ways to completely destroy your Windows operating system, making your PC unusable. With RollBack RX as your first layer of defense, you are protected from such disasters. And unlike other solutions, RollBack RX is fully functional even if Windows can't boot up, enabling you to quickly restore your PC without losing any of your important files. For example, let's say you experience the infamous blue screen of death and your PC is completely unusable. In this situation, you would simply restart the PC and then press the home key to access the RollBack RX mini operating system, known as the subconsole. This mini operating system boots prior to Windows, protecting your PC even when Windows can't boot up. From the RollBack RX subconsole, you can perform many RollBack RX tasks. In this example, we will first take a snapshot of the crashed system so that you can recover any important files that you may have created prior to the crash. Then you would select an earlier snapshot to roll back to. And instantly, your PC will boot up exactly as it was when the chosen snapshot was taken. You can then use the Recover Files feature to import your important files from your crashed system over to your current snapshot. It's that quick and easy to recover from any PC disaster. If you are an administrator of network PCs, you can manage these PCs remotely using our RollBack RX RMC solution. The RollBack RX RMC solution consists of a server component and an administration console. The complete RMC solution is a cost-free module that can be used to remotely manage RollBack RX client PCs over a LAN or the internet, making RollBack RX the ideal solution for organizations with many PCs throughout their enterprise. RollBack RX is a robust PC restore utility that enables PC users and IT administrators to instantly restore PCs to an earlier state, saving time, money, and PC troubles. It's no wonder that leading corporations, banks, government, and educational institutions rely on RollBack RX to protect their workstations from user errors and common PC disasters. RollBack RX is your PC's best line of defense. So download a fully functional trial today to see for yourself how RollBack RX can turn your PC into an instant time machine and rescue you from any PC disaster.